Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Because I see a lot of activity. Let me tell you about the mentorship while I wait on your questions really quick. So our mentorship program, that's who I'm talking to now. Lisa is a part of it. Lori's a part of it. Our mentorship program gives you access to all 16 courses. And you have access to Notarize Like a Pro. The apostille training even is included. The wedding officiant course, remote online notary, just an introduction to that. Specialty, your estate / trust, everything you need to do your notary business, literally. That's why this whole year I'm like, no more excuses. Zero excuses in 2025. That's it, because I'm giving you everything. Now, I can't speak for any other notary trainer, mentor, whatever, but I am giving you everything you need to succeed in 2025. Now it's going to be up to you, okay? And all of that is $47 per month, and you cancel whenever you want to. You don't have to send me an email. Hey, Kimmi, I'm canceling. You don't have to. You just go into your account and you cancel when you want to within a day or two before your payment date. Okay? Because if you don't, it will roll over until the next month. All right. You also get access to all the replays. You also have access to weekly membership, weekly meetings rather. We meet weekly, different topics, and always coaching every single week live. Also via the chat that we're mentioning right now. And let me ask Lisa what's going on over there. She already kind of, let's see, Lisa says, oh, it's nothing severe. She just checked. Thank you, Lisa. And she says they're talking about the awesome journals. Okay, cool. Thank you. Oh, Lisa, nice point. So let me get right into that really quick, since Lisa just brought it up. So I did release these new journals, guys, and they cover everything you need in your notary journal. And they are just so doggone cute. And the one that they're talking about in chat, when I left and looked at it earlier, was this purple one. One of our mentees has purple as her theme color, and she set that thing off, y'all. She got this purple journal with her purple cards, and everything looks so pretty. And I told her I'm sure that's making her have more confidence. So the journals also come in paperback and hardback. This hardback is really nice. So it's 10 different ones to choose from. I only have 4 of them here, but there are actually 10 that you can choose from. And Lori's saying the journals are fantastic, have everything that you need. And I tried to do that as a notary, of course. I know what's required. And some journals have a whole lot of fluff in it. You don't need that. The journal has everything you need, except for California. Now, I'll push back on my California people. There's a space for a thumbprint. But other than California, the journal is sufficient for every single notary, okay? Let's see. We got some more comments. Kim says, I love this. No excuses. Yeah, Kim, no more not for, and great name, by the way. But no more excuses. I cannot, and I don't teach in Facebook no more. I'm not trying to teach you over in Facebook. I can't teach you in a quick phone call. I cannot teach you in Instagram. People try to, hey, I'm on this signing. Can you help me with this? I cannot. I mean, it better be something like 2 seconds. Because other than that, I cannot teach you something that everyone else is investing their time and energy into learning. Now, once you have a foundation, that's where I can call you on the phone real quick if you're stuck at a signing. Or you could drop it in our chat and I can help you really quick. But if you have zero foundation and you out there notarizing, you know what I say. If you don't know your business, you have no business doing business. And that's just facts, okay? So we're not being mean this year, okay? We're not being mean, but we just speaking facts. And facts are you have to have a foundation. So no more of that just trying to wing it, trying to fake it. I think I know it. I might know it. Either you pregnant or you not. Okay? All right. Samuel says this is his first time here. Welcome, Samuel. I'm glad you made the live. Lori says the journals are fantastic, has everything that you need. Thank you, Lori. I love it. Thank you. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath. Everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents. Learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. And Kim says, I was looking for a hot pink one, but I'm just gonna get the purple one. Oh no, Kim, there is a purple. There's a pink. There is a pink. It's like pink and white though. So there is a pink one there. So look at that one prior to making your decision, okay? And then there's also this one. There's also this one that has the pink and the yellow. Maybe I do need to just do a hot pink one. I might add one more, just a hot pink. Because I'm a hot pink girl too, you know that. You already know this. So I might add one hot pink one. I might do that when I get off of here, Kim. Okay? But there is a pink one out there. It's kind of pink with like a white and gray. It's not as deep as that purple is, but maybe I should find. Maybe I'll do one more, a hot pink one. Because I was going to get rid of the single flower one, but people love that journal. So what may not be my favorite, it's somebody else's favorite. So I'll do one hot pink one, and then I should have everybody covered. Because we got cars for the guys. We got 2 different cars. We got dogs. Oh, my guys, this is my favorite. And y'all know I'm not a big pet lover. It's not that I don't like them. I just don't like them on me. But this animal one, people love this one. I think between the top 3, this is the front, and it's the back. And it comes in hardback, too. It's beautiful. The top 3 sellers are this one, the purple, and the black marble. Those are the top 3. Top 3. And this one is a strong contender. They love the butterfly with the pink flower. So I'll do one more hot pink one. I'll do that as soon as I get off of here. I'll get that in the making because it takes about 5 to 7 days for Amazon to even say, okay. Yeah, Kim, so just wait on that one. Yeah, Lori got the black marble, so she's in the top 3. She's in the 3-pack. Lori, are you in the 3-pack with that Google business page too? Are you in the 3-pack with that one? So she's in the 3-pack. 3-pack for Google Business, for those of you who do not know, is when somebody pulls up a notary in your area, are you in the 3-pack? Are you in the 3-pack? That means the top 3 people. Now, if you're on page 8, your business probably is not rocking and booming and rocking, shaking and whatever, okay? You got to be in that top 3. If somebody got to scroll to page 3 to find you, or page 2, you're not going to be called. You're not. Hey, Helena, what's up? What's up? Thank you, Lori, too, about the journal. I appreciate it. So yeah, are you guys in the 3-pack? If you're not, you need to get in training so you can learn how, or I'm going to give you a few tips right now, okay? Lori says she haven't checked. I need to know. I need to know. Yeah, check and see if you're in the 3-pack. If you're not in the 3-pack, that Google page needs to be maximized. Okay. What does be maximized? Is it like a dry piece of toast, or does your Google page look like an edible arrangement? Let me show you my sofa. My little sofa set here. Hold on. Can I flip it? Do you see those bright colors right there? This is how I live. I'm bright. Do you see that? Do you see that? Those bright colors. Green, orange, bright. Now, everybody don't have to live like that, okay? I'm not saying you got to be bright like me. But what I am saying, though, if that couch, if you just see, let me show you. Imagine that those pillows were just gray, okay? Imagine that they were just gray. You would be like, oh, this is kind of boring, right? Just all gray. No white, no black, no nothing, just gray. right? And those pillowcases actually came from, oh, thank you. Let me, who was that? Helena. Thank you so much.